Tired of the weight loss roller coaster? We get it. You've been there, the diets, the promises, the disappointment. You tried every diet out there, but what happened? The pounds came back, sometimes even more. And let's talk about that restrictive diet. It might have harmed your metabolism, making weight loss even tougher. But guess what? There's a way out. A way to break free from the yo-yo cycle. Introducing the Weight Loss Kick Starter Class. Learn the science-backed strategies to conquer the yo-yo effect. Discover how to master your metabolism, fuel your body, and finally achieve sustainable weight loss. For a limited time, we're offering this life-changing lesson absolutely free. Don't let the frustration continue. Sign up now and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Visit our website to claim your spot. Let's bid farewell to the yo-yo effect together. Break free from the cycle. Embrace lasting change. Join us today. Click Learn More now and transform your weight loss journey.